So here we go. We got a 2021 Hemi Laramie, and we're gonna put the Borla exhaust on it. This is factory exhaust. So he's gonna start it up right quick. So that's what it's starting like. Everything is factory under here. Factory muffler. Everything factory. So we have the instructions. It came with 3 clamps, this little heat protector, I guess for some wires. Instructions are pretty good. Let's see. Very like detailed, clear instructions. And here we have the actual exhaust. It's pretty short. Borla Atak. So that starts, that front flange is gonna start right here and then take all that off because the rest of this is straight. So we're gonna go ahead and unbolt it. All right, so for this rubber grommet, let me see if I can pull it off by hand. And I love these newer trucks. It's so new, you could just like, makes it easy. And then this is a little strap, I guess, that holds it on just in case it breaks or whatever. Right there. All right, so just to give you guys an update, this is where we're at. We took off the right side. It was just holding on by a bolt and it slid out and it came out this way. The dilemma that we're in is that this left side is connected right to the whole thing. So we have to jack up the rear of the truck so we can get some clearance to take it out all in one piece. I guess this is where if you have access to a lift, this would make it easier, but I'm gonna try a jack. Let's see if it works. And this truck is lifted with some tires on there, so just to give you a reference. It's like what, 3.5? Huh? The truck is 3? Yeah. So, yeah. All right, so we're finally getting to taking that whole piece, that one piece out without cutting it. So we had to take this tip off. It had a clamp and this little like safety thing. And then this sway bar end link, we had to unbolt that and like swivel it up like that so that we can like twist and turn it over the top of the axle. And we're just now about to get it out, so. And a jack did work. It gave us clearance that we needed, so hope this helps. So here it is, the factory next to the Borla. And we did get it out all in one piece without cutting it. So you can put it back on if you want. I mean, if we cut it, it would have been faster, but what the heck. So we're gonna take off this exhaust gasket, put it on there. I don't know if they forgot to put a new one in there, but it's not in the box. So we're just gonna reuse that one and call it a day and throw the new system on. Can't wait. All right, so we left it loose up here. These are the factory bolts and factory gasket. That's the muffler. Got those rubber grommet pieces on up there. And this is what it looks like as of now. All right, so here we go. So we need to tighten it up and line up both pipes. It does say Borla on top of here, as you can see. So I don't know if he wants it a little bit out so you can see it from the top or not. Pretty easy. We need to put this back in. Pretty simple. And put the clamps and we'll be done. Be ready for a startup. All right, so here we go. We got everything back together. yeah. All right, so one last thing. Borla gives you a heat shield, and that just goes right there on the brake lines above the diff to protect it from this pipe right here. And the instructions is kind of hard to see, but that's where it goes. And then the other thing is, this tip was like hitting the bumper, so I loosened this right here, these two bolts, and I just like loosened it and pulled it down, and it gave me about 1/4 of an inch of clearance. So now that's good. Nothing is hidden and nothing is rubbing. Hopefully I can get some drive-bys so y'all can hear what it sounds like. But so here's the factory exhaust again. We didn't hack it or cut it. You might want to put it back on one day, I don't know. But this thing is like very clean. So yeah, there y'all go, the Borla exhaust install. Difficulty 2. We got it done with hand tools, so it's very easy in the driveway. Not that hard. It's all bolt on, literally. So that's that. Oh Lord, it's burning rubber.